The Toyota Celica is finally back, and honestly, this might be the most exciting Japanese sports coupe Toyota has revealed in years. Just look at this thing. Low, wide, aggressive, and unlike a lot of modern sports cars that are trying way too hard to look futuristic. The new 2027 GR Celica actually feels clean, sharp, and purposeful. Toyota absolutely understood the assignment here. You've got the long hood, wide stance, muscular fenders, huge air intakes, and that classic two-door sports coupe shape that instantly reminds you why people fell in love with the Celica name in the first place. And the design? It looks incredible. Up front, you get these razor-sharp LED headlights with a very modern Toyota GR look, but somehow it still keeps that old-school Celica personality. The hood scoop, black vents, and aggressive front bumper give it this serious rally-inspired attitude. Like this thing was built to attack mountain roads at full speed. Then from the side, this is where the car really shines. The proportions are perfect. Long doors, wide rear haunches, massive wheels pushed to the corners, sculpted side skirts. This thing looks way more expensive than people are expecting it to be. Honestly, if you told someone this was Toyota's answer to a Porsche Cayman or Nissan Nismo, they'd probably believe you. And then there's the rear. That full-width taillight design mixed with the quad exhaust setup gives the car this super aggressive modern GR look. The rear diffuser, subtle ducktail spoiler, and wide stance make it feel planted even while standing still. This thing looks fast. Now, Toyota still hasn't officially confirmed every performance detail yet, but rumors are pointing toward a turbocharged GR powertrain, making somewhere around 350 horsepower, possibly with all-wheel drive. And honestly, that would make perfect sense, because the Celica name has always been connected to rally racing, grip, and lightweight performance. And if Toyota really wants enthusiasts to lose their minds, there absolutely has to be a manual transmission option. Because the whole point of a car like this isn't just straight-line speed. It's about the experience, the turbo noises, the sharp handling, the connection to the road, the feeling that the car actually wants to be driven hard. That's exactly why people still obsess over the old Celicas today. And honestly, this new GR Celica feels like Toyota finally remembered how much enthusiasts miss affordable Japanese sports coupes with personality. The crazy thing is, this car could end up being one of the last true enthusiast-focused Japanese performance cars before everything becomes fully electric and loaded with fake engine sounds and giant screens. Which is exactly why the internet is already going crazy over it. And if Toyota prices this thing correctly, the Nissan Zeed, GR Supra, Mustang GT, Honda Civic Type R, and even some BMW buyers might have a serious problem. Because this thing has the potential to become an instant future classic the second it hits dealerships. Honestly, this might be the comeback car of the decade.